In today's digital landscape, the promise of AI language model is reshaping how we interact, create, and solve problems. Chat GPT, a leading AI-powered text generation model, stands as a versatile tool that transcends mere conversation. It's a gateway to innovation, productivity, and unparalleled creativity. This short video aims to uncover 10 ingenious strategies to harness the full potential of ChatGPT, elevating its usage for beyond casual conversation. To truly understand ChatGPT's capabilities, it's vital to delve into its core functionalities. ChatGPT stands out for its ability to generate human-like text responses, adapting its language and understanding context, making it an invaluable ally in numerous applications beyond its primary purpose. One of the most impactful ways to leverage ChatGPT is by optimizing productivity, whether it's automating tasks, managing schedules, or generating content ideas. ChatGPT streamlines workflows, enabling individuals and teams to accomplish more in less time. Moreover, its collaborative nature fosters efficient group projects, enhancing brainstorming sessions and idea generation processes. Creativity finds new dimensions with ChatGPT. It serves as an inspirational springboard for creative writing endeavors, offering prompt suggestions and refining narratives across various genres. Furthermore, in the realm of art and design, ChatGPT can spark innovative ideas or provide design suggestions, expanding the horizons of creative expression. When confronted with challenge, ChatGPT emerges as a problem-solving dynamo. As a research assistant, it shifts to vast amounts of information, distilling key points of analysis. Its troubleshooting abilities extend to decision-making scenarios where it aids in exploring solutions and weighting options. Customization emerges as a key facet in maximizing ChatGPT's potential. Through fine-tuning responses and customizing inputs, users can optimize the quality and relevance of generated content. Moreover, the ability to train and customize the model for specific industries or tasks enhances its capability and effectiveness. However, in widening such powerful tools, ethical considerations become paramount. Responsible usage of AI like ChatGPT requires a conscious effort to mitigate biases and ensure ethical practices. In conclusion, the mastery of ChatGPT transcends the casual chat box experience. It unlocks a realm of possibilities across productivity, creativity, and problem solving. This video serves as a comprehensive guide to unveil the 10 genuine strategies enabling viewers to harness ChatGPT's potential and explore the frontiers of AI-driven innovation.